I found it in the end. I found it at the end. I finally found it. We use in the end, at the end, and finally when we talk about time. Today, I'm going to show you the difference between these three and then give you some examples to show you how we use them. Knowing this will help you with your everyday English conversation and on exams like the TOEIC, TOEFL, or IELTS. Let's study together. Welcome to this English vocabulary lesson where you can learn useful and practical vocabulary to help your English conversation sound more natural. I'm Michael from Happy English, and I'm so glad that you're here with me today to learn English. First of all, let's look at finally. We use finally when we want to show that we've been waiting for a long time for something to happen. I went to several stores to find my favorite coffee, and finally I found it at Trader Jack's House of Coffee. We walked around the city taking photos and enjoying the sights, and I finally got to see the Eiffel Tower. After sending hundreds of resumes and going on countless interviews, Jack finally got a new job. We use in the end to mean eventually. You can try many kinds of different diets, but in the end, if you don't exercise, you're going to have a hard time losing weight. At the meeting, we discussed several marketing options, and in the end, we decided to try online ads. Jack tried several different ways to convince Jenny to go on a date, but she kept saying no every time. In the end, he realized she's just not interested in him. In the end means eventually. In the end, Jack realized Jenny wasn't interested in him. We use at the end to talk about the final section of something, like at the end of a book or at the end of a movie. At the end of the film, Elsa got on the plane to Lisbon and Rick stayed in Casablanca. Everyone stood up at the end of Tom's speech and gave him a standing ovation. I think you'll like that book. There's a surprise ending at the end. Well, it seems like we're at the end of this English lesson. Keep in mind, if you want to remember this or any vocabulary, you need to write a sentence that's true for you using this vocabulary and then memorize your sentences. Better yet, why not take some of those sentences and write them in the comments below? I would love to see your examples. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Remember to leave your comment below, and I'll catch you guys next time right here at Happy English. Catch you later.